How to delete all liked videos on YouTube at once. 2025 Gully. Hey everyone, welcome back to HowtoMastery. In this video, I'll show you how to remove all your liked videos on YouTube at once, step by step. Let's get started. First, know how likes work. On YouTube, every time you like a video, it gets saved to your liked videos playlist. There's no single delete all button for likes, but you can clear them using your library or YouTube Studio on desktop or mobile. Step 1. Open YouTube. Open the YouTube app or go to youtube.com on your browser and sign into your account. Step 2. Go to your library. Tap on Library at the bottom right. Here you'll see your liked videos playlist. Tap to open it. Step 3. Remove videos manually. Inside the liked videos playlist, tap the three dots next to any video you want to remove. Tap Remove from liked videos. This will unlike it. You'll need to do this for each video you want to remove. Step 4. Use desktop for faster bulk removal. If you have a lot of liked videos, using a computer is faster. 1. Go to youtube.com, click Library, then open Liked Videos. 2. Hover over each video's thumbs up icon and click it to unlike. 3. Use keyboard shortcuts like opening videos in new tabs to work faster. Important note: YouTube does not have an official unlike all option, and using third-party scripts or extensions can violate YouTube's policies, so it's best to unlike manually. Bonus tip: if you don't want your liked videos to be visible to others, you can make your liked videos private. Privacy in the app or on desktop. Turn on Keep All My Liked Videos Private. Now only you can see them. Outro. And that's how you can remove all your liked videos on YouTube in 2025. If this video helped,